As Shopify's top education partner, I know the value of getting onto live chats and getting real help when you've got questions, because you're going to have questions, you're going to have challenges, and you need to chat to somebody. And thankfully, Shopify does offer this as a service. But to be honest, they make it kind of hard for you to get onto a live chat because they want to try and help you to find your resolution or to resolve your problem with their library of help guides and all of that stuff. But sometimes we just need to speak to a real person. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do that in this quick tutorial. So let me share my screen quick. And I want to show you how you can do this by just jumping straight into the Shopify.com website. So if you're on Shopify.com, scroll to the bottom and you can go to the Contact Us section. Now you can do this either as a logged in merchant or you can do it logged out. Now there is added benefit of being logged in because then the Shopify chat gurus, the support gurus, can see which site you're dealing with and they can actually access your backend with your permission, of course. So let's firstly show you how to do this as somebody who's logged out and then somebody who's logged in. It's much the same process. So once you're on the Shopify.com website and you've gone to the bottom, you've clicked Contact Us. Now you're going to see that they really want you to kind of find the answer for yourself by going to community forums, going to the help center, and then you can click Contact Support. And even after you've done this, it's still kind of hard to get it. So you can log in. I'm going to firstly show you how to do this without logging in. So I'm going to say continue without logging in. Now it again tries to point you to some help guidelines and some articles to help you do this. And I'm going to show you how you can click these things and get into a live chat, no matter which option you choose. In fact, you can choose any one of these on the screen here. Let's just go ahead and choose anyone. Again, I'm going to choose anything and anyone and get all the way down to where it says, okay, well, now you probably need further support. And if you scroll down, yeah, this is where the magic happens. This is where you can chat. You can get a chat going, type in your name, your email, your message, and then you can start a chat. So that is how you do it. Once you click that, you go into the queue. Hopefully it's not too long, depending on the time of day, but that is how it works. Now, let me go and show the same process for somebody who is who is logged in. And of course, I did suggest that if you do have a store, if you are a merchant, it does actually work better if you are logged in, because then you can get quicker support. Now, again, I'm going to start with Shopify.com. I'm going to scroll to the bottom, and in the bottom right, it says Contact. So I'm going to click on Contact. I'm going to skip past the community forums, the help center, and go to customer support. This time around, I'm going to log in to show you guys how that works. So let me just log in, and it's then going to show me the various stores that I have got. So let me go and select that and just choose the right one that we got here. So let's log in. And again, it needs to just let me log in. It's all the same login details that you use all the way across the phone. And of course, while I'm doing this live demonstration, it's going to ask me to verify. So let me just do that. And of course, this is just added security for protecting us as the merchants. So let me go ahead and now I'm logged in and it shows me my stores. I'm going to click the store that I would like support with. And no matter which one you choose, you're going to end up at the same place. So now they're trying to get you to choose some right help articles to find the solution for yourself. I'm going to choose any one of these things, going to click on anything that I want until it gets to the section where it's going to give me extra options. I'm going to scroll to the bottom and I'm going to say chat with us. And that is how you do it. Again, you are at the same screen, it's the same process, but one is where you're logged in. The other one is where the first one is where you're logged out. The second one you're logged in, and now it knows which store they're going to be giving support on, which is really helpful. And that is fantastic because now you can submit your details, get a live chat going, ask your questions, and they can actually look at your store because they know which one you're talking about. So if you are a merchant, log in and then get that chat help. This is now how you get a live chat. So go now and get your chat going, get the help that you need, and be sure to subscribe to me on YouTube to get further support and helpful resources just like this one.